This is the beauty of village. Here, everything is pure, everything is nature connected, and all the difficulties and all the problems, it's parts of village, and that's the beauty of. I'm heading towards a community hall, Pumao, where the hearing will take place today. Na community hall ko. Circle bike. यहाँ डायर लोकल है ये रास्ता से जाना पड़ेगा बोला This is community hall Pumao. Inaugurated by now. Hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Xingxsujdiary. Today I'm here at Community Hall Pumao, skipping my classes because I have been appointed as one of the BLO in this village, and today I'm here for for the hearing day of the electors. Before this day, there's two BLO in this village, and we have delivered their hearing notices to every individual's electors, and today's hearing day. And me being as first time as well to be present in this type of hearing day, so I have no knowledge about it, what will happen and how long will it take and how does it goes and how does it work. So we'll see today, we'll check it out. So if you guys are interested and want to know more about it, then you can keep watching this video till the very end. I hope it won't get that boring for you guys, because I heard from the other BLOs as well, from the other villages, that the hearing day, like today, it usually gets boring and lengthy as well. So I hope it won't happen here. So we'll see. Look at here. This is inside the community hall. Light nahi hai kya? Oh, there's no light. Saman. Now I'm going to check whether there's washroom or not, or if there is, then what's the condition of the washroom. Oh. अच्छा है washroom. Locked है. Oh, this is washroom ना. Guys, आप लोग को अगर ये साउंड पसंद आए तो enjoy करना. I'm here at Pumao Community Hall, and you can see the surrounding filled with tall trees and the sound of the insects. Ooh. And this is the hall. देखो ये तो जिन तो घास है नहीं तो देखो ये पता है ओ ठीक देखो मासान ये है फ्रूट ट्री बचपन में हम लोग बहुत खाया करते थे ये फ्रूट्स को लेने के लिए हम लोग फॉरेस्ट तक भी जाता था He's saying that he's getting to taste this fruit after 15 years. It's 11:15 a.m. right now, and we are still waiting for the ERO who will come from Longding. They are on their way, it seems. The time given in the hearing notice form was 9 a.m. but it's getting late, I guess. It should start at 9 a.m. but I can understand the road of this village is pretty rough and not that good. So obviously those who are arriving from Longding, obviously they will take time. So for them we have to be a little bit patient and we have to keep waiting for them. After they arrive only we can start our today's tasks. Our first elector came and he was complaining about the Xerox, that she did not bring any Xerox copy along with the original. And this is a village. It will be difficult to get Xerox paper as well and even the Xerox machine. क्या करूँ बस्ती में हर समय हर तरफ हर डायरेक्शन हर एंगल से प्रॉब्लम नजर आता है लेकिन this is the beauty of village. Here everything is pure, everything is nature connected, and all the difficulties and all the problems, it's parts of village, and that's the beauty of being a villager. Oh. Meanwhile, while I keep waiting, mobile stand भी लेके नहीं आए लेके आते. Meanwhile, while I keep waiting for them, let me have some of this wild fruits which this nearby person who collected it. Let me have this wild fruits which we have collected before earlier. The tree is nearby only, nearby the hole. After peeling off the fruit, it's like this. It's a mix of sour and sweet. Oh! But the one is not that ripe. That's why the intensity of sour is more than the sweetness. I have another one. I have lots of it inside my bag. Now yeah. Today, right now I'm free. I can make my video myself, but later on I'll get busy and there won't be anyone to make the video. The process it will happen today. What all that will happen today. So maybe I won't be able to capture everything.
दोले भाग আমি তো রাখবো না আমি दियो किसी भी का से तो बहुत पता है अरे लाड और टाइम है ना तो ये तो हो गया जैसे कि आपका अभी
कितने उड़ के यहाँ तो नहीं हो पाएगा ना सर
ये ठीक हो जाएगा
यहाँ में ठीक करेगा ना ये चुन तो नहीं हो जाएगा ना सब लोग उठेगा तो नहीं मेरे को
Next, Wang Tai Wang. Adan, Adan, Man Punggu. Lang Tai Wang Su. Sana pusat. Banyak siya. Mama. Rumah,
Bismillah. नहीं, आपका सिम थोड़ा वो गड़बड़ होता होगा. I'm going back now after having lunch in one of the electors' house. मोदी भी साथ में है. It's कितना है अभी? It's 4:32 p.m. right now. Or it was kind of boring as well, and it was very exhausting, tiring. It was, my goodness, finally now it's over.